Okay, it's another open water swimming weekend, and this time we're at Half Moon Bay. And our host is the Half Moon Bay Surf Life Saving Club. So it's a 2.5 kilometer ocean swim, and I brought the drone because there's a battleship shipwreck about 250 meters from the shoreline. So I wanted to see how it looks like from above. So Lance is not feeling well today, so he's not racing. Only me. So yeah, we've done this event last year, and it's a beautiful spot for a weekend swim. So you can see on the foreground there's a boat towing a buoy. So they're still setting up the race course. So that's basically the turnaround point. So it's a loop, and yeah, it goes around the shipwreck. So let's have a look. So that is the Cerberus battleship. So I'll put the link below. So if you keen to find out more details about it, head up to Google. Okay, so I'm heading out towards the shipwreck. I've got my snorkel and camera, and I saw a lot of jellyfish down there. And this one's huge, but apparently they're safe. They're not the poisonous kind, so all good. So I'm getting close to the shipwreck now, so you can see. And by the way, this is after the race, so I've done the 2.5Ks already, so I can just chill around here. But man, this one's... It's my first time to swim around the shipwreck. It's an awesome sight. As you can see, the hull is still intact. So they really preserved this battleship very well. Okay, so that's it. It's the Cerberus Swim Classic, or the Half Moon Bay Open Water Swim. So that's the end of the video. Bye bye.